Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Biology, this is biology subject and we are going to see the topic heterotrophic nutrition and their types. So first, what are heterotrophs? Organisms which depend on other organisms for their food are called heterotrophs. Means they cannot prepare their own food. They depend on others like humans, animals, birds, etc. We cannot prepare, we depend on other organisms for our food. There are three types in heterotrophic nutrition: saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, holozoic nutrition. Three types: saprophytic, parasitic, holozoic nutrition. So you can see the picture there. Heterotrophic nutrition: a heterotroph is an organism that cannot synthesize its own food and is dependent on breaking down complex organic substances for nutrition. So it cannot prepare its own food, it depends on other organisms for its food. So the picture here, examples are humans, animals and birds. So that is the thing. The three types: saprophytic, parasitic nutrition and holozoic nutrition. That is the thing. You can see the suppose we the humans cannot prepare our own food and we depend on plants for our food. So that is the thing. Heterotrophic nutrition. Three types: saprophytic, parasitic and holozoic nutrition. So now we shall see the three types of nutrition. The first is saprophytic nutrition. First is the saprophytic nutrition. Organisms break down the food materials outside the body and then absorb it. Organisms break down the food materials outside the body and then absorb it. Examples you can see here: the bread molds and yeast. Organisms break down the food materials outside the body and then absorb it. They are called saprophytic nutrition. They come under bacteria, mushroom, and there are many examples for this. So you can see the picture there. Saprotroph: organisms that live on non-living matter and release enzymes to absorb nutrients. Organisms that live on non-living organic matter and release enzymes. So that is called saprophytic nutrition. Now parasitic nutrition. Some other organisms derive nutrition from plants and or animals without killing them. They derive nutrition from plants or animals but without killing them. So that is example: cuscuta, lice, leech, tapeworms. The best example, you can see the cuscuta and lice. Lice are present in our hair. They are the organisms which take food from our body, that is the blood, and they leave. Will they kill us? No, but they derive nutrients from us. That is the thing. Lice is an example for parasitic nutrition. This type of nutrition is called parasitic nutrition. Example: cuscuta is also the example of parasitic nutrition. So you can see the picture there, cuscuta picture. Okay, now holozoic nutrition. Some organisms take the whole food material inside their bodies and break down into simpler materials. They take the whole food material inside their body and break down into simple food materials. Example, you can see amoeba, paramecium, humans. Even we, the human beings, take down the complex substances into our body and break down into simpler substances. So that is called holozoic nutrition. So you can see the picture of amoeba there, and the parts. Amoeba is an irregular shape. It has no definite shape actually. So you can see the food vacuole, nucleus, membrane, contractile vacuole, endoplasm, ectoplasm, and pseudopodia. Those all are the. So even amoeba, paramecium, we the human beings are the example of holozoic nutrition. So these are the three types of heterotrophic nutritions we have seen so far now. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.